everyone, we're going to prove the even odd identities for hyperbolic sine and hyperbolic cosine. Basically, this just means that when you plug in a negative x, if you get negative times the function, this is going to be odd. And if you plug in negative x and you get a positive here, that means it's an even function. So our sine is, definition for hyperbolic sine is given here. E to the x minus e to the negative x divided by 2. So we're going to use this equation and plug in negative x for these x's. So that's going to give me 1/2. And then we're going to get e to the negative x minus e to the negative x. All right, this gives us 1/2 e to the negative x minus e to the x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So if I factor out a negative 1, then I'm going to get negative e to the negative x plus e to the x. Because I want it to look like this. I want the first e to be e to the x to be positive. So simplifying this, I'm going to rearrange these two. And let this be their first term. So get negative 1/2. Then we're going to have e to the x minus e to the negative x, which proves that it's an odd function. All right, now for hyperbolic cosine, we do the same thing, but we have this formula, which is e to the x plus e to the negative x divided by 2. So we do the same thing. You're plugging in a negative x. So we get e to the negative x. I'll put the 1/2 in front here. Plus e to the negative times negative x, like that. All right, so this gives us 1/2 e to the negative x plus e to the x. And at this stage, I can just rearrange these and get 1/2 e to the x plus e to the negative x to make it look like our original again, which proves we got back to our original function. So this one is an even function, just like your regular cosine and sine. And here is how you do even and odd functions. You always plug in the negative x. If you get a positive, then you're going to get even function, which was a hyperbolic cosine. And if you get a negative f of x, which we did with our hyperbolic sine, then it's an odd function. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.